Hi, welcome back. So I hope you enjoying the previous few videos and congratulations, and you are now in this video. We'll talk about the indicators. As previously I told you that we need to find out a support resistance in a chart, and by the help of some indicators you will find a chance to trade a profitable trade. But before we move on, that's a reminder that if you have any questions on about the course and you would like to ask, you can always message me in the inbox and I will answer accordingly. Now let's move on to moving average. So moving average is actually an indicator that most commonly used inside our technical analysis, whereby it helps trader to smooth out price data over a specific period, making it easier for us to identify the direction of the trend. I repeat, moving average gives us an indication, tell us that what is the direction of the trend right now. Remember, we have spoken about it. We want to trade accordingly to the direction, and here's the moving average will help us. Okay, so in moving average, there are some for short-term use and some are for long-term use. So for short-term use, there are 10, 20 or even 50 in periods are often used in day trading. Day trading means that today you enter your trade, so the maximum it will last you about 2 to 3 days, or even intraday, if within a day, the price will reaching your target. So if for long-term usage, usually traders will be using a higher time period, which is 100 or 200 moving average for a long-term trend. So I'm pretty sure now in your mind is like, come on, what is 20, what is 50, and what is 100? Now let's move on to the next slides. So when you put in a moving average into your chart, and you see that's through a red line and a blue color line in your chart. So when we talk about moving average 20, meaning that the system will calculate by itself. As an example, we look at the green color chart here. So the moving average 20 is placed over here. So how do it get the point at there? So it's by calculating the last 20 candles before the candles on the average moving price. So by calculate the last 20 candles, and they found that the average price is over here. So each candle taking the last 20 candle. So that's mean for this candle, the last 20 candles average price is here, the last 20 is here, last 20 is here, and last 20 is here. So when you join up every of the average price, and this red color chart will appear. So same goes to the moving average 50, whereby not just 20 candles. Now this time it will calculate the last 50 candles of every candles before, the last 50 candles before, and same, they'll find out the last 50 candles average price is here, 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 here. So when you join up all these average price, and it will form a blue color line in your chart. So what is the purpose that you have a moving average 20 and 50 in this chart? Let's move on. So in your MT4, in your trading platform, you can always set up your moving average into your chart. So this is an example whereby you are using the MT4, the Windows version. So you can always find in your above menu bar, that's a view. Click in and look for navigator. So the moment you click on navigator, it will pops up a box of navigator, and inside the navigator, under the indicator, there's a trend folder. Double click your trend folder and you will find moving average in it. So double click moving average and it will pop up another box in front of your screen, and over here set your moving average. Just now we have two moving average, so first put in the period as 50 to calculate the previous 50 candles, and you can always edit on the color. So choose your preferred color and press OK. So the blue color line will appear in your chart, and repeat the same process, and this time fill in the periods with 20 and change the color into a red and press OK. Then you will have another line, a red color line, which is, we call it the moving average 20 in your chart. So let's move on to the next one. So the purpose of MA 20 and 50, as we said previously, 20 and 50 is usual, it's commonly used in a short-term period. So it's a very suitable MA to use in 1 hour chart. So in 1 hour chart, when you have both lines 20 and 50 in your chart, so it's easy. Every time when you see both lines cross, it means the trend is changing. So every time during a downtrend, you will see MA 20 is actually below the MA 50. So when it comes to a lowest point, when you see a crossing, then it will tell you the trend might change. So the moment it goes back to the uptrend, and this time you will see MA 20 is actually above the MA 50. So by looking at this moving average line, we can know that what is the direction for current trend, and this is where it tells you you need to do a sell or you need to do a buy. Okay, but with the support and resistance, with moving average, it is still not sufficient information for you to enter a trade. Let's go to the next video. I will teach you another indicator that helps you in your trading, and we'll go into the strategy that immediately after learning it, you can start trade and do some profit for you. Let's meet in the next video.